నిఖిత మేడం సార్కి చెప్పారండి?
సార్ జాయిన్ అయిపోయారు సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే, స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారా అయితే? అదే
yes,
స్టూడెంట్.
sir.
Yes. Good evening, all of you. Roll number 512. AID roll number 512. Hello.
Sir, your audio is clear and video is clear, sir. Student will. Who is the CTPU of 512?
Sir, 4512, sir.
Yeah, 4512.
Yes, sir. I am the CTPO, sir.
ఆ స్టూడెంట్ ఒకసారి అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని వీడియో ఆన్ చేయమనండి.
మా 4512. మీ మైక్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి అమ్మా.
Okay.
నిఖిత మేడం.
4512, he is there in the call. He is not unmuting.
సార్ యాక్చువల్గా ఒక సిస్టమ్ పెట్టాం సార్, అక్కడ తన వైవాక్ ఆల్రెడీ రెడీగా కూర్చుంది.
Okay. Can I go for next roll number?
సార్ షీ ఈస్ రెడీ సార్, యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ హర్.
కెమెరా ఆన్ అవ్వలేదు మేడం, మరి ఏ సిస్టమ్ అది? అమ్మాయిని మాట్లాడమనండి, అది మాట్లాడట్లేదు అమ్మాయి.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You're on 512.
Yes, sir.
You wrote here 522 like this. Okay, 512. Let us start some questions. Okay, what are the basic data types?
Audio is not clear, sir.
Audio is, it's audible?
Now audible, sir.
Okay. What is the data types? What are the basic data types? Tell me some of the data types.
Integer,
Okay.
integer, character,
Integer, character, and
float and character, sir.
hmm, that's it. Okay. Character occupies how many bytes? Character occupies how many bytes?
Character,
Size? Hmm?
four,
Character occupies 4 bytes. Integer?
integer, two,
Hmm?
4 bytes.
Character and integer both will occupy 4 bytes. What is the difference between integer and character?
Character is a single. Integer means numbers. Characters means a single letter.
Okay. In order to read from the input from the user, okay, I want to take information from the user. I want to take information from the user. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is the format specifier and how we are going to write that? Suppose I want to take from the input from the student as a enter the number. Okay. Some number he has to enter. Printf, enter the number, and scanf. In the scanf, how you will write?
Int equal to enter the number. Int equal to scan equal to percentage address and
Mhm. Okay. What are some uh, conditional statements? Conditional loop. Hmm.
if else nested if else or if ladder.
For every year, else is mandatory or optional?
With
For every if, else
optional.
and optional. Okay. Okay, right. Fiber. Okay. You can do. Hmm. Fiber, you are 522,
Thank
I
you,
think.
sir.
You are 522, no? What is your roll number?
512. 512.
But why you wrote like 522 in your,
Five
you joined in others, okay. Okay, okay, right.
Sir, actually, everyone is attending in single laptop.
Acha, okay, 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 right.
Yes, sir.
Right, right, right. Right. Next, we'll go for 510.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay, 510. Roll number 510, audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, 1 byte equal to how many bits? One byte equal to how many bits? No, I don't know. Tell me.
8.
8 bits. Okay. What is the maximum number? Hello? What is the maximum number that I can represent using 1 byte? What is the range? Starting range and what is the maximum range? Minimum range and maximum number range for unsigned
What, sir?
using 1 byte. Okay, let us take character. Character occupies 1 byte, right? Character occupies how many bytes? 1 bytes. So what is the
Yes, sir.
what is the maximum number I can represent? 0 to what is the maximum number?
255, sir. Minimum.
Hmm?
255.
Why
Maximum.
255 means how it is a 255?
Uh,
How you are saying 255?
sir.
How you are saying that it is a 255? Means how you are calculating?
Calculation.
How you are calculating? No, 255 you have told answer, right? How it is 255? Based on what you are saying that 255?
256, sir. It will there now, sir.
2?
Sir, 256.
No, how you are telling that 255 or 256? I'm asking. How you are telling that it's a 255 or 256 like that?
Sir,
How you are
sir,
able
2
to?
to the power of 2 to the power of 8 minus 1.
Okay, why you are taking this much to answer the question? Okay, next, okay, your voice is low. I don't know where is the problem? ఇంటర్నెట్ ఐ థింక్ మేడం అక్కడ ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ చాలా స్లో ఉందా ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్కడుంది?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. I'll
ఆ,
rearrange.
కొంచెం వాయిస్ వాళ్ళది క్లారిటీగా చాలా స్లో వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఓకే. Tell me what is how you are declaring that single dimensional array? How you are declaring single dimensional array? Tell me at least syntax. Your voice is not audible. I think it's mic is not working. You switch to that audio. ఒక్కసారి ఆడియో వీడియో కొంచెం కరెక్ట్ ఉంచండి మేడం, లేట్ అయిపోతుంది. అన్మ్యూట్ అన్మ్యూట్ అన్మ్యూట్.
Mic is connected from another device, sir.
అచ్చా, ఓకే, రైట్. సో టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఇస్ ద సింటాక్స్ ఆఫ్ సింగిల్ డైమెన్షనల్ అరే? హలో. The internet connection is very poor, I think. మేడం వాళ్ళ వాయిస్ అస్సలు క్లియర్ లేదు. ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ స్లో ఉందా ఏంటి? కొంచెం అది చూడండి మేడం.
నిఖిత మేడం, మా అమ్మాయి మాట్లాడేది వినిపించట్లేదండి సార్కి.
ఇప్పుడు సార్ మాట్లాడేది వాయిస్ చాలా క్లియర్ ఉంది చూడండి.
అక్కడ కొంచెం సిగ్నల్ ఇష్యూ ఉందండి, ఆ అమ్మాయి మాట్లాడుతుంది కానీ రిసీవర్.
Sir,
ఎస్.
the data type followed by array name followed by subscripts.
వెరీ గుడ్, నౌ ఇట్స్ గుడ్ ఆడియో. ఇప్పుడు బాగుంది మేడం, అలా కంటిన్యూ చేయండి.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
ఇప్పుడు బాగుంది. గుడ్. ఓకే, రైట్. ఓకే, అరే డిక్లరేషన్ ఇస్ డన్, రైట్? సో
Ma'am, ఎక్కడ వినిపించట్లేదు. ఇక్కడ వినిపి.
can you tell me what is a syntax of for loop?
Question.
లేట్ అవుతుంది.
నిఖిత మేడం,
మేడం ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి మేడం?
సార్ ఇక్కడ వాయిస్ ఓవర్లాప్ అయిపోతుంది.
మీరు మాట్లాడేది క్లియర్ గా వినిపిస్తుంది కదండి, మీకు వినపట్లేదా ఆయన మాట్లాడేది?
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే సార్.
అమ్మాయిని గట్టిగా మాట్లాడమనండి, అటు ఇటు చూస్తే ఎలాగా.
Sir, now it's okay, sir.
ఇట్స్ క్లియర్.
Okay. Okay, tell me what is the syntax of the for loop?
Syntax for loop, sir.
Just tell me what is the, how it will be executed.
Initialization, condition, increment, decrement.
Okay, which one is the first step? What is the first step?
Initialization, condition, Increment, decrement.
After condition increment, whether it will increment or what it will do.
Sir,
After condition, it will directly go to the increment operation.
if the condition is okay, it will go to increment.
Otherwise,
Otherwise, it is stop the block.
okay, right then. Okay, next roll number. Next 511. Please try to make
511 4511.
What is the difference between division symbol and the percentage symbol? Roll number 511.
Pavani,
Unmute yourself. Oh, okay, it's other device. Okay. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between percentile and what is the division symbol?
Percentile, we are having slash. Percentile symbol, sir. For
Hmm.
division, we are having slash.
What is the difference? If I divide, suppose 10 divided 10 percentile 2 and 10 divided by 2, what is the difference? What it will be? 10 percentile 2, what is the result? And 10 divided by 2, what is the result?
Divided by 2, 5 వస్తుంది, sir. Percentile 2, modulus 3 modulus అయితే రిమైండర్ వస్తుంది, sir.
What is the remainder?
10 divided by 2, 0.
Okay. Tell me what is a ampersand symbol? Why ampersand symbol is using?
Address, sir.
Address. Okay. What are the format specifier for string?
What, sir?
Format specifier for string.
Percentile S.
Okay. Then one. Next. 522. Next, you can give.
522.
Hemavati.
Ma'am.
Yes. Roll number 522.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between why you are going for two-dimensional array?
To stabilize the values like in rows and columns.
Okay. If I declare this array size is something 10, okay, initially.
Yes,
So
sir.
can I increase it after some point of time?
No, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between the while loop and do while loop?
While loop లో ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ చెక్ చేశాక అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది, సార్. అంటే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది.
Okay.
డు వైల్ లూప్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయ్యాక వాల్యూస్ చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
So in while loop, at least one condition, one statement can I execute if I want in while loop?
సార్,
One condition, okay, without the checking condition. So I want to execute something, okay? Can I
Okay,
able to
sir.
done
ఎస్ సార్.
using what? While loop or do while loop?
డు వైల్ లూప్.
Okay. What is the string length? How do you find out the string length?
String
Length.
length, sum of this string length
Some of the string, you know, some
String length
function is there.
function, sir.
Some function is there. What is that function?
String length, sir.
String, in order to find out the string length,
Yes, sir.
what is the function we use?
String length function, sir.
String length function.
Yes, sir.
That is a function is there.
strln.
ఎవరు హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారు మీకు పక్కన?
Sir,
ఎవరు పక్కన ఇంకొకరు వాయిస్ వస్తుంది?
nobody is here, sir.
ఓకే
సార్ వాయిస్ రీసౌండ్ వస్తుంది సార్, దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ సెడ్.
ఓకే. Okay, you can leave. Next, 555.
555. Number 55. Voice. Sir, it is voice.
Okay. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ తర్వాత అడగాల.
సోహిత్ కుమార్, తరుణ్ సార్. తరుణ్ సార్.
చెప్పండి మేడం.
సోహిత్ కుమార్ ఉంటాడు సార్, తన్ని వైవాకి పెట్టేసేయండి.
ఓకే మేడం, ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకే. రోల్ నంబర్ 555.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. So tell me, what are the different memories? What are the different memories? Is it audible voice? Hello. Is it audible?
Sir.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Is it audible, clear?
Sir.
Hello, 555. What are the different memories?
The different memories, sir.
In a memory management, we have what are some different types of memories we are there, no? We discussed. What are the different types of memories?
Sir.
Okay. What are the different memories?
Multi memory.
You know or don't? Simple. I will go for next question.
Multi memory.
Huh?
Multi memories, sir.
Multi memories.
Sorry, sir. Please.
Okay, what is the difference between a float and double?
Float will take the integers with decimal points, sir.
Double?
Double means it takes the numbers.
Double numbers. Integer, what it will take then?
Integers will take the integers, sir. Float will take the numbers with decimal points.
No, double what it will do?
Double will takes Sir,
Okay. What are the what preprocessor will do?
preprocessor
Hmm.
will execute, it will check the code, sir, before execution.
Okay. What is the if I use any string functions and there, what library function I need to include in header files?
Hashtag include strng
Uh,
projects.
what?
Hashtag include open
Uh,
brackets strng projects.
okay. All right. You can leave. $567.
Yashwant Kumar.
$567.
Sir, I am 567.
Okay, good. Okay. Tell me what is the syntax of two-dimensional array?
So two-dimensional array, data type, array name, and row size and row call.
Okay. Uh, what is the syntax of the printf function? Printf.
F double inside the bracket double quotes, inside it format specifier, comma integer variable name.
Okay. We have a one for in order to access the two-dimensional array elements. In order to access two-dimensional array elements, how many for loops we require?
4 loops.
4 for loops.
So 2 loops.
Tell me what are those?
For row column 1 and for row column 1, row size 1, sir, for column size 1.
Row size 1, column size 1. What is that? 1 for loop. Okay. You can loop. Next. 4205. 4205. 4205. What's the roll number?
4205, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. What's the difference between uh, int and float?
Int stores the whole numbers. Float stores the decimal values.
Okay. What is the long?
Int, sir.
Double.
Tuple, sir.
Double.
Double.
What is short int? Difference between a short int and int?
Short int is 2 bytes, sir. Long int is 4 bytes, sir.
Why we are using that short int? What's the purpose of short int and what's the purpose of normal int?
స్మాల్ వాల్యూస్ స్టోర్ చేసుకోవడానికి షార్ట్ ఇంట్ వాడతారు సార్. లాంగ్ వాల్యూస్ స్టోర్ చేసుకోవడానికి లాంగ్ ఇంట్ వాడతారు సార్.
Okay. So why the strings, if I want to store some string, how it will store in that array?
The sequence of characters terminated by null characters, sir.
Null character ASCII value how much? Null character ASCII value is how much? ASCII value of null character.
0, sir.
Okay, 4205 can do. Next 4235. 4235.
4234.
Okay, you are 4235.
Venkat,
Yes,
are you there in the meet?
ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening.
Good evening. What is the definition of compiler?
Sir,
What is compiler?
compiler is a software which converts the high-level coding language to the binary language. So I start there.
What is assembler? Assembler.
So I can't mix.
Assembler. What is assembler? Okay, what is the
What is
purpose of
assembler?
linker?
Purpose of
Linker.
sir,
What is
purpose
the
of
linker? Okay.
purpose of
Okay. Why? What's the difference between wide? What is wide, most of them tell you?
void, sir.
VOID, wide, and we are calling some functions, no? Why we are writing wide? Okay. What is for scanf function, what format specifiers we use for characters?
For scanner
Character. I want to take input from the user as a character. Now, what format specifier you will use?
percentage, sir.
%. I want to take it from the number. Then what you will use?
Integer, sir.
Some number. Okay, you can leave. Next 43. 4243. Yes, 4243.
Yes, sir.
4243.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me what is a preprocessor?
Yes, sir.
What is a preprocessor?
G for system and exponentiations.
Okay, what is the purpose of letter file?
Purpose of data types is
What is the purpose Okay, leave it. What is the purpose of header file? Tell me some more.
సార్ ఎక్స్పైల్స్ అనేవి మనం సి లాంగ్వేజ్ కంప్యూట్ చేస్తుంది.
If I want to print something, okay, I want to print some number, okay. How do you print?
సార్ ఆన్సర్స్
Hmm?
ఇంటెన్షన్స్.
If I want to print the number, okay, unknown, how do you print them? How do you write?
సింటాక్స్.
Okay, what are the data types?
Data types and three types, sir. Basic data types, derived data types. Those are different data types.
Okay, what are the user-defined data types?
User-defined
Data types are what?
data types and strings of
Okay, team lead. Next, 4209.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what are the user-defined data types?
Structure, typedef, union.
What are the derived data types? Derived data types. Don't know.
Arrays, pointers, sir.
Okay, I want to find out the size of integer or float or anything. What is the function I will use?
What, sir?
I want to find out the data type sizes. Okay,
Sir, once again repeat, sir.
I want to find out the size of the data type. Okay, so what function I will
Size
use?
of function, sir.
I want to find out the size of the data type. What is the function that I use for that purpose?
If else.
Okay. For every else block, for every else, do we require if or not? Without if, can I write else?
No, sir.
Okay. Without else, can I write if?
If the progress, yes, sir.
Okay, you can do.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next. So 4280. 4280.
Sir, can you repeat the number?
4280. 4280. Harish.
Ma from B 106 who is 4210.
A007.
B106 4280.
4280.
ఆ,
85 ఉన్నారు మేడం. 80 లేరు.
There
Okay,
is no 80, sir. 85 is there.
okay. I think what here 4280 Harish something. Okay. Next 4281 is there?
85 is there, sir.
Okay, 81 is just 85. Okay. 85.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Okay, right. Which on your video? Okay, nice. 4285, right?
Yes, sir, right, sir.
What is the purpose of header files?
It will execute the code.
Will execute the code. That is the purpose. Okay. Why you are writing stdio.h? What functions that are available in stdio.h?
Function. Standard input and output.
What are those? What are that standard input and output? Tell me those names.
Mm.
Okay. You don't know. Okay. Printf is a user-defined function or a predefined function?
Predefined function.
What is the difference between user-defined and predefined?
Predefined is that was defined earlier. User defined is we use in like when we want.
Where it is there? Printf. Where it is there?
Sorry,
Where it is there in predefined means where it is available? Predefined means where it is available.
Where it is.
Where it is available. Okay. Tell me what is the difference between a while loop and do while loop?
Sir, the while loop is
Just tell me what is the difference.
do while will execute after when the block code is
Okay, I can loop. Next. Seven one.
Sir?
85 you can live. 7-1. 4 to 7-1.
Yes, sir.
4 to 7-1. Tell me what is the flow of for loop?
Sir?
For loop. There is a for loop, no? How it will be executed? Tell me that that flow. First, which one will be executed like that? Tell me syntax of for loop. Syntax of the for loop. Okay. Tell me what are the some data types?
Basis data type, derived data type, user data type, sir.
What are the tell me some user defined data types?
Sir?
What are the user-defined data types?
Integer data type, character data type, float data type, and double data type, sir.
What are the derived data types?
Arrays and pointers, sir.
Okay. What is array? Syntax of array? Single dimensional.
It has only one index, sir.
Syntax of array. Syntax. I'm
Type
asking.
on this.
Okay. You can 4 to 7. You can. Next 4 to 7. Done. 4 6 6 4. 4 6 6 4. 4 6 6 4. 4 6 6 4. Absent or tell me something. 4 6 6 4 available or not from the DS? CSC DS.
6 7 is available, sir.
Okay, 6 4 absent, ma'am. Next 6 7 is available.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. 4 6 6 7.
4 6 6 7. అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోమ్మా నీ మైక్.
హలో హలో
Yes, switch on your video.
వీడియో ఆన్ చేయమ్మా.
Yes. Okay, tell me what is the difference between printf and scanf?
Sir, printf function we use to print the output. Scanf function when the value is declared, we use scanf function, sir.
Declared. If I declare, I use the scanf.
That means int of a is semicolon.
I want to take input from the user. Okay, I want to enter some values. Which function is preferable?
Scanf function, sir.
What is the syntax of scanf?
Scanf format specifier. Yes. Address and what variable, sir.
Tell me for string, what is a format specifier use?
Percentages.
For floating?
Percentage F, sir.
Okay. What is the what is the importance of two-dimensional array?
Sir, it having only 2 index, sir.
Why we need to go for the two-dimension?
It having 2 index and rows and column size, sir.
How can I access a two-dimensional array elements?
Data type.
How can I access the two-dimensional array elements?
by using the row size and column size.
Size I can access, I can declare, but how can I access the elements? You already declared, I want to access those elements. Okay, what's your row number?
Very tough function.
67.
67, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can leave. Next, who is available? 49, 43, 69, 40. Anyone is available, ma'am? Ma'am, out of 4640, 6943, anyone is available? 49, 43, 69, 40. Forty-nine, 43, ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? Okay. Roll number 4649, absent. 4643, absent.
ఏమంటారా కోర్స్
Hello, sir.
4649, absent. 4643, absent. 4669.
Sir, I'm here.
Who is there? What's your roll number?
4669, sir.
4669. Okay. Switch on your video. Switch on your video. Four, 669. Switch on your video. Okay. What is the purpose of 4669? Is it audible? What is the purpose of gets function? What is the purpose of gets function?
Gets function is also a function you use it to
Is it to? Okay. What's the format specifier for integer?
%g, sir.
What's the format specifier for character?
%c, sir.
Okay. What is the purpose of writing wide main?
While function, sir.
Wide, VOID, wide. In program, we normally will write wide, right? VOID.
It is used to create a separate chamber for the integers, sir.
No. Okay, tell me, what is the maximum number that I can represent using 2 bytes, like a short int?
So shortend can only store 2 bytes, sir.
2 bytes. So using 2 bytes, what is the minimum and what is the maximum size, maximum number I can access? I can use.
Sir, can I tell int range, sir?
80 పక్కన sound వస్తుంది.
Sound.
Someone is giving answers, sir.
No, sir. A probe.
Okay.
Sir, int range, sir. Int range, sir. T2
Hello.
876.
You can talk here. No? Why? You're seeing something. Okay, you can leave. Next, 4640. 4640 available or not? Absent 4640. Okay, 4640. Next, we'll go for the CAIDS. Please. 24 to 43A5. 43A5 and
Yes, sir, I am here.
43A5. Okay, just 43A5. Okay, 43A5.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is a after if. Okay,
Enter.
after if. Can I?
Yes, sir.
That else is mandatory or optional?
Optional, sir.
Okay, for every else block, there we require a if or no?
It's mandatory, sir.
Without if, can I write else?
No, sir.
In for loop, tell me the flow of for loop.
What, sir?
For loop. For loop
Can I repeat?
flow. Which one will be executed first? What is the syntax of for loop? First tell me.
For variable initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, increment or decrement.
Okay, which one will be executed? Tell me that flow.
First step is initialization, sir.
Okay.
The next step is checks the condition.
Okay.
If condition is right, it's go to statements.
Hmm.
After printing the statements, it's go to increment place. After incrementation, it's again check the condition.
Okay, good. So what's the difference between while loop and do while loop?
While executes the set of statements after checking the conditions. Do while is execute the statements at least once before checking the statements. The conditions.
What is the how two-dimensional array? So why we are going for the two-dimensional array?
To read the values like tabular form, right? Like rows and columns.
Okay. Using 2 bytes. Okay, short int can be 2 bytes. What is the minimum range and maximum number that I can access using 2 bytes?
Short int is minimum range is -128 to maximum range 127. Sir.
No, I am asking 2 bytes. Okay, let us take 2 bytes. Be clear that it's a 2
Okay.
bytes. Using 2 bytes, what's the minimum number and what's the maximum number I can access?
2 bytes. 2 bytes. 16, sir.
What 16? 16 bits. 2 bytes equal to 16 bits. But I'm asking, what's the number that I can access?
2 bytes.
0 to, it will start from 0 to, wait, what
0
range?
to
Let us take
65,000.
Okay, right. You can leave. What's the roll number? 46
43A5, sir.
4385. You can do. Next, 4354. 4354.
Yes, sir.
Available? Switch on video quickly. Four three five four. Your video is not visible.
Sir, I'm unable to connect the video, sir, due to some issue.
Okay. Why? What?
4354, you can just leave the meet and reconnect now with the another device.
Okay. 4361 next.
Hello, sir. 4361.
Correct. Okay. 4361. Tell me, what is the different data types?
Data types are int, float, sir.
Okay, what's the difference between int and the float?
Int is used for the whole numbers, whereas float is used for the decimal numbers.
Okay. What is the syntax of two-dimensional array?
Syntax of two-dimensional array. First variable, first data type, size, array name, row size, column size.
So how can I access in two-dimensional array elements?
We can directly access two-dimensional arrays like tabular form.
Okay, I can access, but using what? You cannot access what
Len
loops?
array,
Using what loops I can access?
for loops,
For loops, how many you have to use?
four, sir. According to the matrix, we can take 4.
4 for loops required. What are those 4 for loops?
First for loop for I, for row size, second for loop for column size, third for loop for resultant matrix. C is equal to A plus B.
For printing C equal to A plus B, you require another for loop. Total 3 only you told me. What are 4?
For row size, column size. 3, sir.
3. No, 3 also wrong. Okay. How can you string will be stored into array?
Don't know, sir.
What is compiler definition?
Compiler is used to compile C program, sir, to check the errors, and it will mention for us after executing it.
Okay, you can look. What's the roll number?
4361, sir.
4361. Okay. Next. 4387.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are 4387.
Yes, sir.
What are the different loop conditional statements and loops? Tell me.
While loop, do loop, for loop.
Do loop is there.
While loop, do while
Ah.
loop, for loop.
What is the syntax of the if else?
Sir? Sir?
What is the syntax of if else?
Syntax, if condition, set of statements, else condition, set of statements.
For every else, do we require if?
Sir?
For every else block, do we require if?
Yes, sir, mandate.
Okay. So what is the format specified for the floating point number?
Repeat again, sir.
What is the format specifier for the floating point number?
Don't know, sir.
What is the format specified for integer?
Percentage is, sir.
Okay. There is a percentage symbol, division symbol, and multiplication symbol is there in some expression.
Yes, sir.
So, which
Sir.
one you will be evaluate first?
Again,
What are
sir.
there is a percentage symbol, there is a division symbol, and also there is a multiplication symbol is there in some expression. Which one you are going to evaluate first?
Remind is like division symbol.
Huh?
Division symbol is the division symbol.
Division symbol. Why? Why you are going to evaluate the division symbol first?
For the reminder, sir.
Huh?
For the reminder.
For the remainder. What is my question? I have 3 operators, okay?
Yes, sir.
Percentage, division, star,
Percentage.
in some expression, okay? In some expression. Now I want to evaluate which one I am going to evaluate first. Okay. What's the format specified for the character?
Percentage C, sir.
What is the difference between while loop and do while loop?
While loop executes the while before executing the statement, it will check the condition, sir. For do while loop, it will check the statement at least once before checking.
Okay, you can leave.
Okay, sir.
Next, 4354, you are able to reconnect or? Okay. Okay,
Yes.
okay. You are able to reconnect?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So tell me what is a string? How can I access the string?
So string is basically a variable in which we use for which is denoted by double quotes, sir.
Okay, how it will be stored in array format?
So
Okay. So characters, how do you represent characters?
So the characters are specifically denoted by data type called char.
Hmm. And how you are able to declare that? Suppose I want to take only one character. How do you say the difference? I want to access characters. Suppose A, either A or B, C, like this. I need some characters. No. In program, how you will declare that?
So basically, character is it only accepts a single set of data. So we have to do it in step-by-step process, sir.
Answer. Tell me. Okay. Correct. Next, what is the difference between printf and scanf?
Printf is used to display the data, and scanf is used for to read the data or input used by
What's the
the user.
difference between user-defined data type and primitive data types or predefined data types? Sorry, what are the predefined functions and user-defined function?
So predefined functions is used basically, it is fixed and used for standard forms, and the user-based functions are based on the user. Sir.
Okay, there is a str length will be there. Okay, string length. I want to find out string length.
So Starlet is used to find the string length. Sir.
So which library it is available? Which standard library it is available?
String length, sir. strlen.
Okay, you can do. What's the number? 4354, right?
4354.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Next, all the completed here. And 4387 is done. Next. 4601. 4601. 4601. Four six zero.
Yes, sir.
4610. What is the number? 4601, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So tell me what is flow of the for loop? Syntax.
Sir.
What is the syntax of the for loop?
Initialization, condition, increment or decrement, sir.
Flow, tell me, which one will be executed first? Which one will be executed first?
Sir?
In this flow, which one will be executed first?
Initialization sense.
Tell me that flow.
I is equals to 0.
Tell me that flow.
I is equals to 0.
Hmm.
Semicolon. Next, I is greater than or something value, sir. Next, semicolon. And I, if it is increment, I plus plus. If it is decrement, I minus minus, sir.
The 3 will be executed.
Sir,
Those 3 only executed. Then why you are using for loop?
sir, means మనకి ఏవైతే ఎక్కువ ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నామో సో మనం అక్కడని ఐ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఎన్నైతే ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నామో అక్కడ ఆ వాల్యూ ఇస్తాం సార్.
Tell me that flow I am asking. You are telling that initialization first, next condition, next incrementation. Those 3 only executed.
ఎస్ సార్.
When you will going to print them?
సార్
When you are going to print?
సార్ ఒక్కసారి వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు సార్.
Now it's clear.
ఎస్ సార్.
You wrote one for loop and one
Yes, sir.
condition also. Some statements executed, right? Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me that flow. What is that flow? You are audible or not question?
సార్
Okay.
వన్స్ రిపీట్.
You wrote one for loop, okay? You already written some one for loop.
ఓకే సార్.
Now tell me
ఎస్
that
సార్.
flow. This much time.
సార్ ఫస్ట్ ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ సార్.
Hmm.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్స్ గో టు కండిషన్ సార్. Then it
Someone
will
is
check
helping. Okay, leave it. Someone is helping you. Okay, leave it. Next. What is the difference between int and float?
Int is numerical value and float is decimal value, sir.
So in order to access two-dimensional array elements, how many for loops you require?
Four, sir.
Huh?
4 for loops, sir.
What are those?
2, sir.
4?
A number of rows or number of columns. Rows and columns, sir.
Okay, someone is helping you. Okay, leave it. Leave the room.
Thank you,
Next,
sir.
4602. Four six zero two.
Sir.
Okay, tell me what is the flow of for loop?
What, sir?
Flow of the for loop.
Initialization, condition,
పక్కన ఎవరో చెక్ చేస్తున్నారా?
increment and decrement.
అమ్మా పక్కన బాగా హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారు ఎవరు?
No, sir.
Someone is helping
No,
me.
sir.
I am getting some. Then what is the need of this file?
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ రీసౌండ్ వస్తుంది సార్. మై వాయిస్ ఆల్సో లూప్ లో వస్తుంది.
Okay. Tell me what is the what is the range of the maximum range of the integer? What is the maximum range of integer?
0 to 225, sir.
225. What is 225? 2 bytes equal to how many weights?
8, sir.
Okay, tell you.
Thank you, sir.
Next, 4603. Four six zero three.
sir.
4603.
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of header files?
To specify the value of normal size int float or characters. To specify the characters of int float or characters of values. Specific values.
What is my question?
Once repeat, sir.
Without telling the question, you can answer it. What is the purpose of header file?
To increment the output value, sir.
What is the purpose of printf?
Printf value find out for specified values. Print చేస్తుంది సార్ మనం ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్.
What is typecasting?
Typecasting con
What is the format specified for float?
format specified percentage D.
What is the format specified for int?
For int percentage D. Percentage D, sir.
Both D only. Float and
Percentage D.
percentage D. For integer. For float, what is the difference between integer and float?
Int for percentage D, sir. Sir, float means decimal values.
Okay, can you 4604?
Thank you, sir.
4604. Four six zero four.
Yes, sir. Clearly.
Okay. Tell me what is a function means?
Specified D. Sir, repeat the question, sir.
What is the syntax of any function?
Don't understand.
Don't understand. What understand? Function. Syntax of the function.
Written type of a function.
Okay. What is a precedence means? Precedence.
Order of
Order of
elements. Order of elements.
means 1, 2, 3 like this order.
Yes,
Order.
sir.
Okay, can leave. 4604 you can leave. Next 4616. Four six one six.
Sir,
4616.
sir,
Okay. Okay, what is the syntax of the single dimensional array?
data space type array of మనం ఇచ్చే సైజ్ సార్.
Okay, why you are going for the arrays? Why you are
Yeah,
using?
it stores the collection of elements in the state store data types at in the memory location.
So in array, can I store like 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, like this?
No, sir.
Why? Chudu, see the screen.
Sir,
Why you are not able to store?
arrayలో ఇచ్చేది వన్ వన్ కానీ లేకపోతే టూ కానీ సైజ్
If I give 1.5, what happens?
అంటే అది డెసిమల్స్ కింద వస్తుంది
1.5 is the decimal.
1.5 1.0
That is the decimal. Is that decimal number or
సార్
what is 1.5 means? What number 1.5 means? One point five means what is the name of that number?
న్యూమరికల్
Numerical. Tell me what are some standard libraries?
సార్
Tell me some header files.
డేటా టైప్స్ సార్
Header files.
హెడర్ ఫైల్స్ include /stdio.h.
Why we are using for stdio.h?
It is input and output తీసుకోవడానికి.
What are those input and output?
printf and scanners.
Okay, then leave. Next,
Thank you,
4619.
sir.
4619.
Good evening.
Good. Tell me what are the different data types?
There are three types of data types: primary or fundamental data types, and derived data types, and user-defined data types.
Okay, in some expression, I have a plus symbol is there and multiplication symbol is there. Okay, which one will be evaluated first?
Multiplication symbol.
Why multiplication symbol?
I didn't get it, sir. Can you make it clear?
If I want to evaluate expression, I have a plus operator as well as multiplication operator. Division operator is there. Let us take, okay. Tell me, which one will be evaluated first?
Multiple, sir. Plus symbol.
Huh?
Sir, plus be executed.
Your voice is not clear.
Plus will be executed, sir.
Then first plus will be executed. And next?
Yes, sir.
Next?
Depending on the condition, sir.
Depending on condition. What condition?
Like, if we want to add or divide or multiply, depending on the condition, and the
You can live.
operators will work on that.
You can live. Next. Four, six. And next, A4, A4, 401. 401 Nagasai. Next 404402.
Sir, 64 present, sir.
What?
64 present, sir.
What 54?
Good evening, sir.
What's the roll number, ma?
401, sir.
Okay, 401. Okay, wait. 407 Okay. 401. Okay. Tell me what is the difference between integer and float?
Integer stores whole numbers, sir. Float stores decimal numbers.
What's the difference between a compiler and an assembler?
Compiler is a compiler. Compiler returns code. Compiler checks at a time.
Tell me
Interpreter
definition.
checks line by line.
Tell me what is the difference? What is the compiler definition? Why
It
you are
takes,
taking that much time? What is the definition
sir,
of compiler?
audio is not available.
Someone is helping.
No, sir. Audio is not clear.
Audio is very clear. Someone is getting some voice. Next. So tell me, what is the format specified for the string?
Percentile is, sir.
Percentile is. What's the importance of gets function?
Sir?
Gets,
Sir, can you...
gets. Meanwhile, you get answer. Okay.
String inputs. String
Okay, can
inputs.
look.
Thank you, sir.
Next, 402.
64 present, sir.
What 64?
Roll number 54. 4664.
I'm coming in some sequence. Okay, 4664. Okay, when your turn is not completed, wait some time.
Okay.
402.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what is wide? Why we are writing wide in programming? VOID, wide.
Ma'am?
Wide keyword.
To pretend outputs.
How many keywords are there in C programming?
Sir?
How many keywords are there?
32.
Paka answer 32. Okay, what are those keywords? Tell me. Tell me those 32 keywords. At least tell me some of the keywords. Tell me some of the keywords. 32 you don't know. What are those? Tell me please. Identifier.
Identifier.
Identifier is a keyword.
Sir?
Okay, you can leave. Next. 4407.
Good evening, sir.
Good. Tell me some of the keywords.
Int, float, double, identifier.
అమ్మా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పమన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు స్ట్రైట్ చూసి చెప్పలేవేంటి అటు ఇటు ఎందుకు తిరుగుతున్నావు స్ట్రైట్ చూడు
సారీ
Okay. Tell me some more keywords.
Int, float, double,
That is done.
identifier.
Void is a keyword or not?
Yes, sir. It is a keyword, sir.
User defined or predefined?
It is a user defined, sir.
Okay, you can leave. You can leave, ma. Next 410. Four ten.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
410.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between a predefined functions and user defined functions? Hello.
User defined function means
Face the camera.
sir.
See the camera. Right. Okay. Okay. Tell me.
Speak loudly, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me what is the difference between user defined function and predefined function? Whether you know or don't know, tell me. Answer. Okay.
Audio is not correct.
Huh?
Audio. Can you please repeat that, please, sir?
What is the difference between user defined functions and predefined functions? Still audio is not visible. Not audible. Audible or not? వినిపిస్తుందా లేదమ్మా?
No, sir, ma'am. Checklist.
మేడం అక్కడ వినిపించట్లేదండి, ఒకసారి చూడండి.
సార్ ఓకే సార్, మనం సార్
ఆ.
బాయ్స్ కి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం సార్. ఇక్కడ బాయ్స్ ఉన్నారు, 1 by 1 స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం.
ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇక్కడ 410 అంట 423 ఎక్కడి నుంచి రోల్ నెంబర్స్?
ఓకే సార్, బాయ్స్ హాస్టల్స్ ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాం. అక్కడ వాయిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నట్టు ఉంది.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. రోల్ నెంబర్స్
423, sir.
423. ఓకే.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే. So 423. Tell me what is the difference between user defined functions and predefined functions?
The defined function.
User
know, sir.
defined and predefined functions.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, good. తెలియదంటే తెలియదని చెప్పాలి. Very good. Next. What is the format specifier for floating point?
Sir?
What is the format specifier for the floating point numbers? Floating point number. Float.
Floating point. Float, sir.
Format specifier what? What is the format specifier we use? What is the format specifier we use, ma? For the float.
Sorry, sir. Next question.
Integer. Tell me.
Integer.
Integer ki format specifier. What is the format specifier for integer? Okay, what are the, tell me, data types?
Primary data types. Derived data types. And
Okay, you can leave, ma. 428. 428. What is the roll number? 425.
428.
Okay, correct. 428. Tell me what is the difference between user defined and predefined function?
Sir?
User defined function and predefined function. What is the precedence? Precedence.
Addition, sir.
Suppose. Okay, I have a plus operator and a multiplication operator. Okay, in some expression.
Yes.
2 plus 3
Sir.
star 5. So which one will be evaluated first?
First plus is.
First plus.
Stop.
What?
Sir.
Okay, what? Why we are going for header files? Why we are going for header files? Header file. What is header file and why we use the header files?
Sir, okay, sir. Next number.
Okay, next.
My boys, next number.
Next. 301.
Sir, boys, sir, next number. చూడండి.
Okay.
వాళ్ళ రోల్ నెంబర్ చెప్తారు
Sir, roll up. 432.
Okay, what's your roll number, ma? 307.
29, sir.
29. Okay, 29. Right. Tell me what is the
Yes,
format
okay.
specifier for string?
String modular S, sir.
Modular is, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, tell me what is the character occupies how many bytes?
Character 1 byte, sir.
1 byte. How many bits?
8 bits.
What's the difference between while loop and do while loop?
Sir,
While loop and do while loop.
difference, sir. While దగ్గర ఏమో కండిషన్ ఇస్తాం సార్ డూ వైల్ ఏమో లాస్ట్ ఎండింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ దగ్గర ఇస్తాం సార్.
Okay, right. Okay, Luma.
Next person, Randy. Next person.
Switch on video, ma. Okay, what's your roll number?
4306.
Last 3 digits. Last 3 digits.
4307. 307.
307. Okay, 307. 307. Yuvraj. Yes or no? You are Yuvraj or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me what why format specifiers are using? Why format specifiers are used?
To define what type of data is mentioned.
Okay, good. Next. What is syntax of two-dimensional array?
Sir. Okay. Data type array name, rows, in square brackets rows, and again square brackets, columns, finally semicolon.
Okay, I want to access like a 0 1. 0 1 means where it is going to access. A of 0, A of 0, and one more 1. A of 0
A of
1.
0 means we have to
0 1.
A of 0 1. In memory block, first row first row, second column. I mean, from left to right, second block.
Okay, what's your roll number? 307.
307.
Okay, done. Next.
Thanks.
Next, you can.
Ma, next person join now.
Next.
Sir?
Yes, what's your roll number?
Yes. 4334.
3.
Sir, today last person.
4334, sir.
Last person, sir.
Okay, 302.
4334, sir. Irfan, sir.
One. Okay, 334. Okay. Okay, 334. Tell me, what's why we are using for percentages?
What, sir?
Percentages. Format specifier for what purpose?
The scanner. Scanner.
Scanner. Okay. What is the difference between printf and scanner?
Sir, my voice in the sir.
What is the difference between printf and scanner?
Printf అంటే ఏదైనా మనం ప్రింట్ ఏది రాయాలి దాన్ని డబల్ లో రాస్తే ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ వస్తుంది సార్. స్కానప్ అంటే దాని ఇన్పుట్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత అంటే స్కానప్ వస్తుంది సార్.
Okay. So what is the format specifier for the floating point number?
F, sir.
Okay. What is the syntax of the single dimensional array? Syntax of single dimensional array. Syntax of single dimensional array.
I don't know.
Okay, right. What's your roll number? 334.
Yes, sir.
Anyone is there?
Sir, remaining
Thank you, sir.
persons, day after tomorrow, sir. Session
Okay.
8, I will inform, sir.
Okay, right, sir.
Okay, sir. Data is sent to my personal number.
Okay, right, sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
Right.
much.
All right.